In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the camera control button on your iPhone 17. So whether you have an iPhone 17, 17 Pro or a 17 Pro Max, this is going to work across all of the different iPhone 17 models. So first thing you can do is just go and tilt your iPhone onto its side, and you'll see in the bottom right hand side we have this new button, and this will allow you to control all of the different features on your camera. Now before we get started, we just need to make sure that this button is turned on and all of the different controls are enabled. So we're just going to head over to our home screen and you can load up the settings on your phone. You're then going to scroll down and select camera and click on camera control, and here we'll have all of our different camera settings. So first of all, where it says launch camera, click on the drop down arrow and make sure you have the camera selected. You can then scroll down and it will say choose a gesture to open the camera app. So you can either choose single click or double click in order to open the camera. This just really comes down to personal preference, and I'm going to set mine to single click. So when I go and press this button on the right hand side, this is going to open up the camera app. You'll also have the option to require screen on, and just like the name suggests, if you have this turned on, then your phone needs to be unlocked in order to use this camera button, or you can just go and turn this off, and now even when the screen is off, if you go and press this camera button, it will load up the camera app. You'll also have controls and camera adjustments. Make sure this is turned on. And then once you've done this, you can go and close out of this window. So now what we can do is go and press the camera control button to go and open up the camera. Now what I'm going to do is just tilt my camera horizontally to show you how this works. So first of all, if you just go and press this button down, that's simply going to take a picture, or if you're on the video mode, that's going to start recording. Now, if instead of pressing this button all the way down, you just go and half press the button down. So you can see right here, if I go and gently hold this down, it's going to bring up a completely different menu. Now from here, what you can do is go and switch between the different cameras on your phone. So if you go and swipe either to the left or to the right, this is going to apply the different zoom levels on your camera. Now, if you just go in half press this button down again, another thing you can do is if you swipe down from this menu, you'll also have some other options on this menu. So we can change the exposure, the depth, the zoom, and a bunch of different other options. So let's say, for example, I wanted to change the exposure on the left-hand side. Once you have that selected, once again, you can swipe your finger either to the left or to the right-hand side, and this is going to adjust the exposure in your camera. So this button essentially just allows you to control all of the different camera settings, all from this one control center button. Now, it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.